caught up with AAP leader Shazia Elmi a short while back. Let's listen in to what she had to say.
We have with us Aam Aadmi Party leader Shazia Elmi. Ma'am, yesterday the way things have happened and now an FIR is against you also, and you might be arrested along with your colleague Ashutosh. Your take on the entire incident and also on the FIR.
See, as you saw me yesterday, I didn't fear getting water cannoned and I don't fear being arrested. But the fear is against the way the system seems to work, and it's been done with a lot of discrimination. I was there from the very first minute. In fact, others came later. It was absolutely ruly. It was absolutely peaceful. When we were protesting and we were making all kinds of, and the cops were just looking at us. And I would tell the cops, "Sir, to dekhiye aap," and they would refuse to do so. And we said, "Modi aapse darta hai, police ko aage karta hai." These were the naras we were giving, and that's all we were doing. Nothing else, I promise you. And I was there, and we've done so many protests. Not a single protest of ours has been violent, ever, ever. So from inside, they started throwing stones, and it was crazy at one point of time, because I remember getting water cannon from the left side and from the right-hand side, which is where the BJP headquarters were. They were throwing stones, and they were bricks. And it kept on happening for a long time. Ideally, one should have just moved back. But because so many of them were getting these bricks, I heard that some people hurled the bricks back and the chair back. And the shocking story is that I hear now is that the FIR is against us and not against a single BJP worker, not against Nalin Kohli, not against all those guys there, only because they were behind the gate. But they were the ones who instigated it.
People are saying, critics are saying that this is the style of Aam Aadmi Party. This is the real face of Aam Aadmi Party, mobocracy. You go down to the streets, on the streets, and then you protest in this fashion. What do you have to say about your critics?
We've all known what BJP's track record is. We all know what Vijay Jolly did to that lady's house. We all know what Shiv Sena does. So we all know about vandalism. We all know what happened to Babri Masjid, let alone protests on the streets. So those are the people talking about us. It's really sad.
Aam Aadmi Party is also going to file a complaint, both with the EC as well as the police, something on that aspect, ma'am?
Yes, we are planning to do that, because this entire matter, 4 people in this federal India, unitary and federal, that Indian state is, 4 cars go, and Arvind Kejriwal wants to visit Gujarat, and they want to use model code of conduct and some kind of traffic problem to stop him. That is not mobocracy, that is not anarchy, that is not the high-handedness of Narendra Modi. It's a shocker. And to protest against that, we went and just stood in front of the BJP office. The situation was made ugly. It was made ugly. It's almost as if they were prepared.
You might be arrested. What about that? Your name is also there in the FIR.
So then I'll be arrested. I'll know what it feels like. It'll be my first time ever. So...
Talking about a broader issue, 2014 election, it seems, is between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, because what we have seen yesterday and now it seems it's getting really very clear. What's your take on that, the final?
Tell me something. Arvind Kejriwal goes to Gujarat.